All right, this is unit 118 here at TriVista. That entry door was from our parking garage. As soon as you enter to the right here, you do have a half bath. Coming in here to the left, you do have a small coat closet. And that leads here into the kitchen area. Built-in pantry cupboards, which is great. Plenty of cupboard space. Nice size island with room for bar stools. More storage here on the island. And we are first floor. We're located right here on the corner of 14th and Fox Street. So you've got room here to separate a living room from a dining room. Dual entrance, so you can use your door here. Go out onto your patio, plenty of space for a couple chairs, grill, but it is walkout street access. All right, and then we can head upstairs here. Now this is 760 square feet in size. Right here, as soon as we get to the top of the stairs on the left, you're going to have an additional closet. It is a walk-in, nice size. Coming down the hallway here, on our right will be your full-size washer and dryer. And then here, if we go to the left, this will be the master bedroom. So we are on a corner, 2 walls of windows, plenty of natural light, great view of the downtown skyline, convention center. You get a large walk-in closet in this one. And this is the master, like I mentioned, so you do have that attached bathroom. Dual sinks, and then a unique setup here where you have the tub and you have the shower back to back. And then across on the other side is going to be the second bedroom. Nice size on this one as well. Plenty of windows. Straight east facing here, so you get a nice view of the state capitol. This one does have a large walk-in closet as well. And then direct access to a bathroom up here. This is going to be the second full bath with the tub. And then a second door here, so either access from the hallway or from the bedroom. So again, this is our 2K, unit 118, 1760 square feet, and this one's priced at $37.35.